I'm a real big fan of yours, but I'm quite the joke to you. But girl, it wasn't a joke when you kissed me in your room and replied, I love you too. I'm a little bit insecure from all of this mistreatment. See, I'm working it out, it's so damn hard when you're alone. Sha da 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 da. I am running out of words to say to you, wondering why I'm wasting my time thinking back and wondering why I'm such a fool for loving you. And I got to the point where all I wanted was for us to make up, but it's not that easy. 'Cause girl, you move on so quickly, keeping a boy like me at the edge of his seat. And I know everything you do is all about your perfect image. Well, I hope this song, it helps your image. Sha da 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 da. I'm so over you now. I am running out of words to say to you, wondering why I'm wasting my time thinking back and wondering why I'm such a fool for loving you. And I was the one who thought I was strong, boy. You prove me wrong and singing along every song on the radio. I don't want to go. Come on, baby, tell me something I know we not. Want to see what is on my mind. Cause like motivation, taking over on time. I'm sick of trying. I